In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the best color scheme for your Shopify store. Creating an eye-catching and cohesive color palette is a crucial step in establishing a brand identity and enhancing the overall user experience on your site. Fortunately, we have some tools and resources to make this process as seamless as possible. First, I recommend heading over to a fantastic resource called Color Hunt, which you can find at colorhunt.co. This website offers an extensive collection of hand-picked palettes created by designers and enthusiasts from all over the world. It's a treasure trove of inspiration, perfect for helping you discover a combination of colors that will beautifully complement your brand's message and vibe. Once you're on Color Hunt, take your time to browse through the variety of options available. When you find a palette that resonates with you and fits the vision of your Shopify store, click on it. This action will reveal more information, specifically the hex and RGB values of each color in the palette. These values are crucial because they represent the exact shades you'll be using and can be simply copied for use in your store's theme. To copy a color value, just click on it and it will be copied to your clipboard automatically. This feature ensures that transferring the colors to your Shopify store will be as effortless as possible. Now that you have the color values handy, it's time to integrate them into your store design. Navigate to your Shopify store's site editor. Here, you'll see a left-hand panel, and at the bottom of this panel, there is a gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open your theme settings. In this section, you'll find various options to customize different aspects of your store's appearance, including color schemes. Select the scheme you want to modify. Maybe it's your primary color scheme, or perhaps it's the accent colors. Wherever you think the new palette will have the most impactful aesthetic. Once inside the desired scheme, simply paste the colors from your clipboard into their respective places. Don't forget to preview how it looks with your existing layout and branding elements to make sure everything flows cohesively. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated a new, thoughtfully selected color palette into your Shopify store. By following these steps, you've ensured that your store is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also aligned with your brand's identity, ultimately attracting and retaining more visitors. That's all it takes to refresh your store with a vibrant new look. Happy designing,